Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials so the activation is smooth. First, make sure your device battery is above 20% and that the OS is on a supported release. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility. Don't waste time hunting menus. Make sure headphones or speakers are connected if you need audio feedback. Now tap Voiceover, Narrator, or Talkback depending on platform to enter the control panel and prepare for the next steps. You'll now enable the feature and set it to your pace. Toggle Voiceover or the equivalent on. The system will speak immediately to confirm activation. Next, adjust speaking rate so text is neither rushed nor painfully slow, and set verbosity to control punctuation and hints. Configure gestures or the rotor for navigation. This matters because the interface changes behavior. Finally, practice a single tap. Double tap and two-finger scroll so you understand selection versus activation before moving on. Finish by validating real use cases and learning recovery steps. Open Mail or a browser and navigate several items to confirm items are read aloud correctly, and make sure the rotor or gesture selects elements as expected. Memorize the Quick Enable/Disable shortcut so you can toggle VoiceOver swiftly. If you encounter no audio, check the volume and selected output device, then restart the accessibility service or reboot the device. This often clears initialization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.